back in the couch, body feel weightless, eyes half closed, but the mind stay restless. Smoke in the air like a slow ballet, every little thought just drift away. We don't move, we just vibe, let the whole world pass us by. Another hit, another sigh, floating low, feeling high. Baseline roll like a calm heartbeat. Kick drum knock, but it stay discreet. No rush, no plans, no timeline. Just me, my homies, and this lifeline. We don't move, we just vibe, let the whole world pass us by. Another hit, another sigh, floating low, feeling high. Let it melt, let it go. Feel the rhythm, feel it slow. Conversations fade into sound, lost but somehow we feel found. Every second, stretch and expand, smoke trails drawn by invisible hands. Yeah, we good. Right here. Below. Low volume living, quiet tone. Nothing loud but fully known. Every move feels soft and slow, like we got nowhere to go. Lamplight flicker on the wall, shadows dancing, barely talk. Everything reduced to feel, simple moments turning real. Keep it low, keep it right. We don't need a louder night. Let it breathe, let it flow. Stay inside the undertone. Rose plate warm like distant rain, softly washing through the brain. Baseline steady, never rush. Everything just built on hush. Conversations come and fade, half the words just dissipate. Still we feel what wasn't said, living more inside our head. Keep it low, keep it right. We don't need a louder night. Let it breathe, let it flow. Stay inside the undertone. Don't push, don't break. Let the quiet resonate. No need to prove. We already in the groove. Morning creeping through the blinds, still we sitting lost in time. No regrets, no rewind. Peace is easy when you unwind. Nothing big but everything feel like more than what it brings. Low volume but heavy soul, that's the way we keep control. Keep it low, keep it right. We don't need a louder night. Let it breathe, let it flow. Stay inside the undertone. Yeah. Keep it low. Keep it low. Keep it soft, yeah. Might feel fragile, don't push too hard. Let it stay where the good things are. Everything calm, everything light, like you're meant for this kind of night. No sharp moves, no heavy sound, just a quiet pulse all around. Every second gently placed, nothing here need to be chased. Keep the night soft, don't break the tone. Let it settle in on its own. No loud moves, no sudden shift. Just let the whole thing slowly drift. Piano fall like a gentle rain, softly easing through the brain. Guitar echo in the back, like a memory in the track. Bassline hold like a steady hand. Keep it grounded where we stand. Everything feels safe and slow. That's the way we let it go. Keep the night soft, don't break the tone. Let it settle in on its own. No loud moves, no sudden shift. Just let the whole thing slowly drift. Don't rush, don't tear. Something fragile living here. Hold it, let it be. That's the way it's meant to be. Morning lines start coming through. Still we hold on to this view. Some nights don't need to last. Still they echo in the past. Nothing loud but deeply felt, like a quiet kind of wealth. Keep it soft until it ends, then we slowly start again. Keep the night soft, don't break the tone. Let it settle in on its own. No loud moves, no sudden shift. Just let the whole thing slowly drift. Yeah, keep it soft. Keep it soft. Roll it up slow, one more night. Yeah. Ash on the table, time moving lazy. Phone on silent, don't care if you page me. Yeah. Mind in a loop like a one-out cassette. Thoughts kinda faded, but I ain't forget. Window crack, let the night breeze in. City lights blur when the smoke sink in. Heartbeat low with the kick and snare. I don't even know how I got right here. No plans made, still feel alright. Whole world slow in the neon light. Every inhale take me somewhere else. Every exhale leave a piece of myself. We just slide through the night real slow. No destination, just go with the flow. Eyes half closed, but I see it clear. This kind of vibe make the stress disappear. We just slide through the night real slow. One more road and we lose control. Nothing matters when the beat is low. Just let it ride, don't say no, yeah. Friends talk loud but they sound distant. Laugh hit late like bad transmission. I'm in my zone, don't break the spell. Somewhere between heaven and hell. Cup half full, maybe it's not. Don't really care, just take another shot. Time drip down like wax from flame. Every night kinda feel the same, but I like that, yeah I do. Same old vibe, but it feel brand new. Same old song, but it hits so right. Same damn smoke every single night. We just slide through the night real slow. No destination, just go with the flow. Eyes half closed, but I see it clear. This kind of vibe make the stress disappear. We just slide through the night real slow. One more road and we lose control. Nothing matters when the beat is low. Just let it ride, don't say no. Don't wake me up, I'm good right here. Lost in the sound, disappear. Slow burn nights, yeah, that's the code. Just one more, and I'm gone. Same way. Same routine, same slow spark. Always start inside the dark. Hands move like we done before. Familiar rhythm we can't ignore. Asphalt soft on the tray below. Every breath stretch out slow. No need talk, we already know how this whole thing gonna go. Low light ritual we repeat. Same compose, same heartbeat. Nothing new, but it feels right. Every time we start the night. Keys loose off like memory plays. Same old sound, but it always stays somewhere deep in a quiet space. We don't rush, we don't chase. Homies lean with a steady gaze. Lost inside a mellow haze. Every second slightly bend, like we never really end. Low light ritual we repeat. Same compose, same heartbeat. Nothing new, but it feels right. Every time we start the night. Don't break it, don't change. Keep it steady, keep it sane. In this loop we remain. Nothing lost, nothing gained. slowly turned to dawn. Still we here, still holding on. Not the high, but the state we keep. Somewhere calm, somewhere deep. Every cycle feel complete. Like a circle, we don't leave. Same old ritual, same old crew. Still it always feel brand new. Oh, low light ritual we repeat. Same compose, same heartbeat. Nothing new, but it feel right. Every time we start the night, yeah, same way. Every night. Lights but low like broken stars. Cars move slow like drifting bars. Smoke rise up into the dark. Every hit leave a mark. Wind hits off, perfect home. Somewhere here we feel at home. No big dreams, no big chase. Just this night, just this space. Loop it back, don't break flow. Let the whole night move slow. We don't leave, we don't go. Stay inside this glow. Yeah, beat bounce light, but still deep. Hold it steady, never steep. Every second stretch and bend, like it never really ends. Conversation fade away. Still got something left to say, but we don't need the words. Let it live inside the blur. Stay here, don't move. Sky turn pale, morning here. Still the same vibe right here. Nothing lost, nothing gained. Still we sit inside the same. Loop it back, don't break flow. Yeah. Again. Again, one more time. Last loop playing, but we don't mind. Same 4 bars, hit a new state of mind. Something in the way the night sits still. Make a small room feel bigger than real. Beat rolling with a worn out grace. Soft kick drum in the patient pace. No big ending, no hard goodbye. Just a slow fade under the midnight sky. Last loop never ends for real. Some nights leave a deeper feel. Round and round till the dark turns blue. I could stay in this sound with the crew. Yeah, piano lean like you know my thoughts. Say things plain without saying a lot. Guitar glows in the outer frame. Same old mood, but a different name. We've been here through the highs and lows, through the long weeks, nobody knows how a simple rhythm can reset the air, make the whole weight lighter there. Last loop never ends for real. Some nights leave a deeper feel. Round and round till the dark turns blue. I could stay in this sound with the crew. Don't cut the tape, let it run. Best nights never really done. Hold this tone, hold this room. Let it echo into dawn soon. Yeah. Morning creeping at the window line. Still got warmth in the room and rhyme. Nobody rushing to break the spell. Some nights fit you a little too well. If this the last one, let it last. Let the present blur the past. Every loop got a place to land. Right here resting in steady hands. Last loop never ends for real. Some nights leave a deeper feel. Round and round till the dark turns blue. I could stay in this sound with the crew. Again, one more time. Let it spin. Roll it. Yeah. One more time. Yeah. Paper tight, fingers slow, spark it up, let it glow. No delay, we in the zone. Same old couch, but it feels like home. Ash fall down, time stretch wide. City noise just passed outside. Every breath got weight and ease, floating somewhere in between. Roll one more time, let it burn slow. We don't chase nothing, just let it flow. Hands in the air, but we stay low. Oh, oh. One more puff, then we let go. Yeah, yeah, keys loop back like deja vu. Same beat, but it hit brand new. Homies laugh, half asleep, talking deep, then drift off beat. Bassline hum like heartbeat low. Thoughts get lost, but we don't know what we said or what it meant. Still it feel like time well spent. Roll one more time, let it burn slow. We don't chase nothing, just let it flow. Hands in the air, but we stay low. One more puff, then we let go. Yeah. Slow down, breathe in, let the whole world dim. No stress, no need, just smoke and melody. Late night creeping in the dawn, still not ready to move on. Every second feel complete, looping life inside this beat. Eyes low, but the vision clear. Everything we need is here. No big dreams, no big plans, just this moment in our hands. Roll one more time, let it burn slow. We don't chase nothing, just let it flow. Hands in the air, but we stay low. Oh, oh. One more puff, then we let go. Yeah. One more, then maybe one more. One more. Yeah, we say last, but never last. Always loop it, always pass. Every time we think we done, someone laugh, we start another one. Clock keep ticking, but we ignore. Time don't matter anymore. Every round just feel the same. Still we always play the game. One more, then maybe we stop, but we never really drop. Keep it going, keep it light. One more turn into the night. Yeah. Beat bounce off, head still nod. No big reason, thank God for a moment like this right here. Everything just feels so clear. Smoke curl up, then disappear. Like the thoughts we keep near. Nothing held, nothing stuck. We just ride inside the love. One more, then maybe we stop, but we never really drop. Keep it going, keep it light. One more turn into the night. Say it's last, but we laugh. Run it back, run it back. Morning creeping through the shade. Still we stuck inside the haze. Not the high, but what it brings that keep pulling everything. One more, then maybe we stop. Maybe. Not yet. Same room, yeah. Same room, but a different tone. Yeah. Same room, but a different tone. Different thoughts, but still feel home. Every night got its own design. Even when the setup same as mine. Table set, same 4 seats. Same old rhythm, same heartbeat. But the mood shifts slightly new every time we run it with the crew. Same room, different night. Still we landed something right. Nothing changed, but everything moved. Different feeling, same groove. Keys come in with the brightest shade. Same chord play, but it's remade. Guitar humming a softer way, like it got something new to say. Stories told we heard before, still they hit like something more. Every laugh got a different tone, even echoes feel full grown. Same room, different night, still we land in something right. Nothing changed, but everything moved, different feeling. Same groove, same place, new wave. Every night we recreate, same sound, new feel. Something subtle, but it's real. Yeah, morning near, but we don't rush. Let it settle in the hush. Even when the night repeats, it brings something new and deep. No big change that you can see, still it's shifting internally. That's the magic, that's the proof. Same old room, brand new truth. Same room, different night, still we landing something right. Nothing changed, but everything moved, different feeling, same groove. Yeah. Same room. Same room. Yeah, right here. Yeah, signals low, but we tuned in right. Every breath sync with the night. Smoke curls slow like hidden signs. Talking deep between the lines. No rush now, no set pace. Everything fall into place. Even silence got a tone. Never really feel alone. Slow motion signals. We don't rush the rhythm. Let it drift inside. Nowhere else to hide. Keys repeat like deja vu. Every loop feels slightly new. Thoughts expanding, overlap. Fade away, then double back. Homies nod but barely speak. Still we understand the beat. Somewhere deeper than the sound. That's the place we always found. Slow motion signals. We don't rush the rhythm. Let it drift inside. Nowhere else to hide. Let it ride. Don't decide. Just exist, just glide. Night stretch long into the gray. Still we never drift away. Everything already here. Nothing missing, nothing near. Slow motion signal. Yeah, still tuned. how night's still holding on to me in this quiet energy. One more than fate, memories made. Everything slow, everything warm, like a calm before a storm. But no storm ever come, just a steady hum. Don't rush, don't rush. Let it linger, let it stay. We don't need another day. Just this moment, just this breath. Perfect balance, life and death. One more than fate. Good night. Good night. Good night. Yeah. Yeah. Laugh comes slow, then echo back. Hit twice hard in the mellow track. Nothing funny, but we still laugh. Caught inside a time collapse. Every joke stretched out wide. Somewhere lost, but still inside. Simple things just amplified when the vibe is multiplied. Slow laugh, echo in the room. Bounce around like a tune. Nothing heavy, nothing deep. Still it's something we keep. Beat not clean but never loud. Still it moved the whole small crowd. Every moment slightly bent, like it never really ends. Keep it light, don't force. Even silence turn to sound when the right one's all around. Slow laugh, echo in the room. Yeah. No plans, just go. No destination, no map drawn. We just move till the night gone. Every step feels slightly late, like we living in the late state. Smoke rise, slow spiral high. No reason, that's why we try. We just let the moment lead. That's the only thing we need. Floating without plans tonight. No control, but it feel right. Let it drift, let it glide. We just ride, we just ride. Yeah, yeah. Beat bounce light, but still deep. Keep us steady, never steep. Every loop feel like home, even when we drift alone. Conversations start then fade. Half the words just dissipate. Still the meaning somehow stays hidden in a smoky. Holding without plans tonight. No control, but it feel right. Let it drift, let it glide. We just ride, we just ride. No rush, no rush, no rush. No guide, no guide, no guide. Let it carry, just ride. No pay, no pay, no pay. No bed, no bed, no bed. Only now, no context. Yeah, yeah. Time dissolve into a blur. Nothing sharp, nothing sure. Yeah. Still we locked into the groove. like we got nothing to lose. Homies quiet head still not. No big thoughts, just thank God for a moment like this here. Simple, calm, and crystal clear. Floating with our plans tonight. No control, but it feel right. Let it drift, let it glide. We just ride, we just ride. No plans, still perfect. Light it, yeah. Let's go. Yeah. Flame touch quick, we already in. No long talk, let the night begin. Windows crack, let the city breathe. First hit deep, that's all we need. Light it and go, don't think too much. Past that vibe, keep it untouched. Slow drift, but we stay in flow. One more puff, then let it go. Beat coming, head not right. Everything sync with the low street light, yeah. No delay, we lock from start. Baseline hit straight through the heart. Light it and go, don't think too much. Past that vibe, keep it untouched. Slow drift, but we stay in flow. One more puff, then let it go. No pause, no wait, we already elevate. Conversation cut, but the vibe stay loud. Don't need words when you read the crowd. Every inhale, keep it aligned. Simple nights, perfect time. Light it and go, don't think too much. Past that vibe, keep it untouched. Slow drift, but we stay in flow. One more puff, then let it go, yeah. Keep it moving. Ashtray full, I spilled out. Half sentences turned to doubt. Then the laughs, then the calm. Something simple, something warm. We don't finish what we say. Still it land the perfect way. Every pause feel just right. In the middle of the night. Talk slow, don't explain. Let it drift inside the brain. We don't need to define what we feel tonight. Smoke drift like a soft reply. Answers float but pass us by. We don't chase, we don't care. Meaning hidden in the air. Baseline low, hold the ground. Keep us centered in the sound. Everything feels incomplete. Still somehow it feel complete. Talk slow, don't explain. Let it fade, let it bend. Sun might rise, still we sit, holding on to every bit. words, not the sound, just the way it all comes down. Yeah, just that. Just that. Lofi. Yeah, stay here. Yeah. Same room. Yeah. Same room, same low light glow. Night moves calm and the whole place slow. Heads not low when the beat come in. No big talk, let the vibe begin. Yeah. Windows crack, let the city breathe. Cool air slide through the room with ease. Nothing forced, everything feels smooth. Whole night locked in a steady groove. Stay in the loop, don't break away. Same old sound, but it hit today. Round and round, and it feel brand new. Yeah. Late night calm when I'm here with the crew. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Keys come back like a memory spin. Soft guitar, let the mood sink in. Bassline hum like a quiet train. Roll right through every thought in my brain. Homies laugh when the story bends. Halfway told, but it still makes sense. Every second got a golden hue. When the whole room moving like one mood. Do stay in the loop, don't break away. Same old sound, but it hit today. Round and round, and it feel brand new. Yeah. Late night calm when I'm here with the crew. Yeah, yeah. Don't rush, don't move. We already got the groove. Let it ride, let it stay. We can keep this night all day. Morning fall, but the clock still slide. No need leave, got no reason why. Every loop got a different shade, even when the same notes played. No big dreams and no big plans, just this moment in our hands. Sometimes peace is a simple truth. 4 walls, 1 beat, and the whole small crew. Stay in the loop, don't break away. Same old sound, but it hit today. Round and round, and it feel brand new. Yeah. Late night calm when I'm here with the crew. Yeah, run it back. Stay in the loop. Stay in the loop. Quiet pass from hand to hand. No one speaks, but we understand. Everything soft, everything low. Let the silence gently flow. Eyes half closed, breathing slow. Thoughts come in and let them go. Nothing sharp, nothing loud, still we feel it all around. Past the quiet, let it stay. We don't need no words today, just the vibe, just the air. Something real is sitting there. Keys repeat like falling rain, soft echoes inside the brain. Every note just barely there, still it fills the empty air. Time don't move, time don't stop, somewhere floating near the top of a feeling hard to name, but we never play it safe. Let it be. Don't disturb, don't. Night dissolve into the gray, still we choose a little stay. One more breath, one more sound, before we slowly come back down. Past the quiet, let it stay. Yeah. Rolling. Yeah, we in. Flame touch quick, no delay tonight. We already locked in the vibe just right. Ash falls soft on the wooden floor. Same old room, but it feel like more. Homies lean back, no need to talk. Every breath slow like a midnight walk. City lights blink through the window pane. Everything calm, nothing feels strange. Roll slow, stay longer, make this feeling stronger. We don't need no closure, just lean back on the sofa. Keys loop back like a memory lane. Same old sound, but it shift the brain. Bassline hum like a quiet truth. Something old, but it still feel new. Half said words, broken laughs. Time slip by in quiet drafts. No destination, no set goal, just drifting deep in the shared control. Roll slow, stay longer, make this feeling stronger. We don't need no closure, just lean back on the sofa. Don't rush, don't move. We already got the groove. Let it fade, let it stay. We ain't going nowhere today. Late night turn into early dawn. Still we here, still holding on. Moments small but they feel complete. Looping life inside this beat. One more puff, one more round. lost, but somehow we feel found. Nothing big, nothing loud, just this calm inside the crowd. Oh, roll slow, stay longer, make this feeling stronger. We don't need no closure, just lean back on the sofa, yeah. Stay a little longer. We floating, yeah. Gravity gone when we light that spark. Whole room drifting in the dark. On me space, but we are intact. Same wavelength, no need to act. Snack runs turn to missions now. Lost in aisles, but we don't know how we got here or what we need. Still it feel like destiny. Low gravity crew, we don't land. Floating through the night unplanned. Pass it round, hand in hand, we just vibe. Understand. Understand. Yeah. Every step feels slightly late, like the world on delay state. But the beat keep holding tight. Everything gon' be alright. Laugh too hard at nothing much. Every joke hit double clutch. Even silence feel like gold. Every second slow and bold. Low gravity crew, we don't land. Floating through the night unplanned. Pass it round, hand to hand, we just vibe. We don't fall, we just glide. Stay suspended in this ride. No control, no need try. Let it carry, let it fly. Yeah. Some might rise, but we don't care. Still got smoke inside the air. Moments like this, never loud, but they hit you deep and proud. No big wins, no big loss, just a vibe you can't exhaust. Crewing day, that's enough. Seal the night with one more puff. Low gravity crew, we don't land. Floating through the night unplanned. Pass it round, hand to hand, we just vibe. Understand. Still float.